Need a key card to get in there. That's like the actual, that's the company.
Maybe let's go. Can we go this way?
I'll come down there in a second, but.
You want to go this way first?
Then go upstairs. I want to walk upstairs.
Oh, let's go back to the store.
Go back to the store? Back in here, though.
Where does this go? Oh, this is to the back.
Back to the store. Yeah, back to the store.
Okay, we gotta go back this way. Oh, this is the elevator? Can we use this?
I don't think so.
Are you going up the elevator?
Get it far.
It don't say we can't. It didn't say, what is up in here? I'm here with Deshaun, and we are in the Omega Mart. Oh, you want to talk? No? What is that? A radish? Or something?
Slap in the head with the beat.
The next day.
I'm about to wash my hands. Homie done came over here and started spreading his germ. So, my poor brother. I went to Walgreens and picked him up a COVID test so he can take that. Hopefully it's not the vid because then I would have the vid possibly. And I've already been sick way too much this year. This is body wash your hands, people. Wash your hands. I kind of feel bad for leaving him here, but he's like out of commission right now. And my dad wants to go see Circus LA. And I honestly don't know what to do.
I've been through some things, ups and downs some days, but I'll call your name. This life I walk in faith, darkness not a slave, Jesus has my gaze. But I've been feeling prayed out, trying to find a way out. God, I need your help now, come show me. I've been trying to run away, feel like going in my head. Feel like sitting up in God's bedroom, making music I don't talk to them. Remember when I used to puff, now I'm chilling with the Most High, and I can't even get enough. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
The next day. The next day. The next day.
Hey guys, I'm currently dropping off Deshaun's prescription. And then hopefully it'll be ready by the end of today. If not tomorrow, and then I need to go pick up my prescription tomorrow. Or Wednesday morning, I can go pick it up too, I guess. For my oral mouthwash. I went to the dentist today. I went over Austin's house last night. And I was eating bread. It was like, what are you eating, bread? Yes, Austin, I'm eating bread. You got a problem? What is up, you guys? I currently have a face mask on and some eye masks on, and the eye masks are falling all the way down my face, but it's okay. We're getting beautified. I need to also fix my nail. Wait, no, I need to fix my nail because it's coming off. I just fixed this one, but it needs more filing and shaping. So, this is the fit of the day. This sweater my mom brought, and then I have on my green shorts. Probably gonna put some jeans on later when we leave because it's cold here in Nevada. So, I need to start prepping for this date. This guy that I've been seeing / talking to is coming over. We're gonna watch the Niners play on Saturday because he was trying to go out like on a date on Saturday, but I was like, no, I gotta watch my team play. So he's gonna come over and I'm probably gonna order pizza, grab some beers, get some wings, all the things.
Let's go.